everybody, it's Erin Reed Makes, and today I'm going to show you how to take your xyron sticker maker, either the 3-inch, the 1.5 inch, or the Creative Station Light, and turn it into a foam dot. So what you have right here is this is the fun foam. You can get this at Michael's or at Target or anywhere. I just picked white because it's easy. And just cut yourself a little section. Now you need to cut it to be the section that you would be running through your sticker maker. So as long as it fits through, and both my ways fit through just fine, you can make your own stickers. So first thing you're gonna do is you go ahead and run it through, running one direction, and pull it through. And just tear it off. Go ahead and rub and then peel off that front section. Super simple, super fast. Now I like to trim mine up a tiny bit so that way I have less kind of going on. So just trim it up. This back side is already sticky. The entire side is sticky, just like a foam dot, but we gotta make the other side sticky. So what we do is we flip it over, because whatever side is facing down is a side that is sticky. And go ahead and run this side through your sticker maker. There you go, super simple. Go ahead and rub that, make the back side sticky. And if you want to trim this up so that way you don't have excess material on either side, makes it super fun and super fast. So now you have a giant sheet of foam dots. This is a miniature version I made earlier out of just regular old fun foam. Now here's a little thrifty item. My kids love playing with those little fun crafts, those foam crafts, and some of them already have a sticky on one side. Perfect. So all you would need to do to something like this is go ahead and run it through the back side the other way. And no longer are you throwing away all those extra pieces of foam. You've turned it into double-sided foam for yourself. So it's an easy, fun trick that you can use. And you can just clean it up and take off that top plastic, and now you have a double-sided foam sheet that was going to get thrown away, and now you're using it to your advantage. So 2 ways of making your own fun. Either go buy the big foam sheets, which you can get them by the sheet, or use some extra leftover bits and pieces to make your own foam. How simple is it to use? Just cut off a little section, whatever section you need. I'm going to trim it to fit my little unicorn that I have on this card that I would like to pop up. I can fit it to size. I can fit quite a bit. So now I've got a larger section on there. I could also trim it to be smaller and just pop it on. And now you have a nice little popped up element for any of your cards. I also use the 3-inch sticker maker to make the rainbow and also little star confetti pieces sticky. That way it turns them into a sticker. Super simple for adding to cards. You can also cut your fun foam, sticky fun foam now, into strips to use for sticker makers. So you can make them any length you want. For instance, for the shaker card, you can make them nice and thin, which is what I use to go on the underside of this card. Easy way and thrifty way, especially if you use leftover fun elements from your kids' crafts and turn them into your foam pieces. Any size of foam would be great, as long as the both sides are sticky, and that is what your xyron is for. So thanks so much for stopping by. Supply links where you get your own xyron are listed down below, and also some links to find some fun foam for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye-bye, everybody.